Camera movement is a powerful stylisting tool used by cinematographers to establish pace, point of view, and rhythm in a scene. But amateurs don't have the expertise or equipment required to control camera motion creatively. Our approach provides an intuitive interface for manipulating camera motion after a video has already been shot, using interactive sliders that modify the power spectra of the camera motion. Our tool provides 4 10-band equalizers, one for each of 4 channels of rigid motion. Manipulating the sliders changes the apparent camera motion of a video in real time. The main window shows the output video with the stylized motion that is a result of the current equalizer settings. The small window on the top left shows the video on a global canvas. Here the user has decided to transform this scene of walking by a sculpture to create the impression that the first-person viewer is drunk. The first thing the user does is zero out all motion other than the DC term with the 0 button next to each panel. This creates a stabilized video. By increasing the lower frequencies in the roll channel, the result appears to swim, giving a rolling seas or drunken walk feel. Adding back in some of the X and Y translation results in the desired effect. These settings can be saved as a style for use in other videos. We now show some other interactively designed styles applied to different videos. Here the camera walks along a path in a sculpture garden. Applying the same settings created earlier to this video mimics a drunken walk. If instead one damps all channels but accentuates the middle frequencies in the horizontal motion channel, the result mimics the use of a Steadicam. Here the filmer is walking down an industrial hallway. The style created with our equalizers creates the feel of filming in an earthquake by amplifying high-frequency, horizontal, and vertical motion and fully damping the rolling rotation. One can also create a Hitchcock-like Dolly Zoom by damping the scale channel in this forward-moving clip. Here we apply the Steadicam style to this still camera to create the effect of a professional-grade swiveling tripod. In addition to manually adjusting sliders, one can set the sliders automatically from an example video. Here we show several examples of using example videos to set the equalizers. The original video is a bit shaky due to hand motion and a walking motion. Given an example of a smoother walking motion, our tool automatically adjusts the equalizers to match the frequency content of the example, thus creating a smoother walk. Alternatively, we can amplify the original shaky motion to match a clip from a professional video that uses an extremely chaotic motion style, such as this clip from the Blair Witch Project. We conducted a user study to assess the ease in which 10 users could create 4 specific motion styles from one of these 6 different original videos. Here you see 4 videos created by one user asked to create 4 styles: bouncy, on a boat, in an earthquake, and Steadicam. And here are 4 more from another user creating the same styles with a different input video. In a second portion of the study, 7 new participants were asked to guess which video should get which label. With few exceptions, all results were guessed correctly. Please see the paper for further discussion. Our interactive system allows novice users to quickly modify apparent camera motion to creatively stylize their videos.